Hang out with your mom? Oh, Judy. Well, you came and you baked me some cookies. Well, what we have, we are the spies. We are three cool guys. We all have a nose and we have two eyes.
Carl! Enough with the song!
I didn't think she'd like a hefty boy with glasses who's into llamas and sleeps with a blankie and has unsightly spots all over his...
Too much information! Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant? Oh, ow, my scapula! I'm stuffed now. I couldn't have enough. Okay, one more. I'm gonna have one more, and then that'll be it. Jimmy Drat, he's a spy. He's a kid and his hair is really high. He's got a friend named Carl, who is really cool, and a friend named Shin, who is held back in school. Hey! What? Oh, please, Jimmy. This may be my only chance to impress a tennis-playing, teen modeling, ballet dancing, gymnastic-ing masseuse.
Yeah,
But don't ever
on.
let it happen again. And it's Mr. Wheezer to you. You just can't get good help these days.
Maybe.
Yes, sir, Mr. Wheezer.